Alright, good morning everybody. Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center. We're continuing to track severe thunderstorm warnings in place. The National Weather Service has just issued. Alright, we have a tornado warning, so now we're going to have to stay with you once again. And we'll probably want to have to stay with you for some time. We have a damaging tornado down here in parts of Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas right now. So definitely want I'm gonna try to get somebody in, so just hold tight for. Alright, we have a tornado warning that goes in effect, so we got to stay wall to wall coverage once again. Tornado warning runs effect at 8:30 uh, for Benton County in north central Arkansas. At 8:02, a severe thunderstorm. At 8:02, a confirmed tornado was 3 miles south of let's see, Greenfield, Moonstone 25. So hazards, damage and tornado. Weather spotters have confirmed one. So this is the time you need to be get centered, get covered, go to the lowest floor of your home if you have one. Put many walls between you. We have a tornado warning. This is a tornado on the ground again. So you got to take this storm very seriously, folks. This is a tornado on the ground, and we definitely got to take the storm very seriously. You're just joining us at about 8:08 this morning. We're tracking severe weather this early, and I just checked with the Storm Prediction Center, and we'll pull that up just in a second. They're calling for like Texas could get very large hail today, so definitely everything's on the table for this active afternoon. New severe thunderstorm for central Carlo County and central Arkansas at 8:30. This storm still could produce a brief tornado. Waiting on the Storm Prediction Center and see. All right, Berry County's under a severe thunderstorm. We're already starting to get some damage coming in. A 1-inch tree limb has been down. Excuse me. So we're getting lots of reports of trees down with this whole situation here. So we got this severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Berry County, central Missouri. And this is from the Weather Service in Springfield. Folks, these good storms could have spin up tornadoes. So you definitely got to get centered, get covered this afternoon, go to the lowest floor of the building. I'm going to check the tools that we use around here to see if we have any. There could be a little something there, but not what we normally have. So I'm just reading through the chat because this is something we need to be aware of. So hold on a minute. So we're going to stay with you probably to 8:30, folks. We have a confirmed tornado. So let me be right back. I kind of wish. So I'll be right back here. Let me switch back to radar. I'm going to get everything animate, and I'll just be right back. Alright, if you just joined me this morning, we have a tornado warning, so let me see if it's... Alright, we just have 2 tornado warnings, so we might be staying with you just a little longer. Tornado warning continues. This is a confirmed tornado at 8:02, so definitely you want to be in your safe spot right now. If you live in Grayfield area or Gateway, now's the time to move to your tornado safe spot. Is go to the lowest floor of the home if you have one. A basement. I mean, I've been telling people many times, basements are going to be more safer to be in. Ground floor, just get away from all the windows. That's the better thing to do. Just let me be right back. Alright, we're still in that tornado warning that goes through 8:45. Still have no confirmed report. We still have that one tornado confirmed report of a tornado. It's a damaging tornado. So, alright, let me check in with our velocities and just see if anything updated. Yeah, there's still something just got tapped into. Alright, we get more severe thunderstorm warnings been issued. So what this is turning into more of a damaging straight line wind threat. So with QIC spin ups a lot. So let me check out the new tornado warning. This goes in effect into 8:45. Carr Rowe County in north central Arkansas into 8:45 Eastern Daylight Time. So I'm going to check the chat room here. So these storms are going to be producing some very large hail. At 8:12, a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. It was 5 miles south of Gateway, moving northeast around 25 miles an hour. So hazardous tornado. So folks, if you live in any of these communities with these tornado warnings, you need to be seeking some shelter. Best places to be is the basement. Mobile homes are not going to be safe today, so definitely it's time to back away them and just checking for debris ball. We already had report the trees down, so that's the biggest thing we do have. If you live in Bush area, Behavior, or Gateway, I mean parts of the Great Field area, you need to be in your tornado safe spot. Go get centered, go get low. Do not fool around with this today, folks. Here's the problem what's concerning me about these tornado warnings. Let me animate the radar so people can see what we're doing. Is what's concerning me about the tornado threat today is we got a bunch of rain pouring down. You're not going to see the tornado, folks. What is physically is going to be is rain-wrapped tornadoes. That means you're not going to see it coming. So the best thing I advise you to do is go to a safe spot. Go to the ground floor with no windows. Make sure you have a helmet for each person. I mean, even fine debris is what's killing people a lot of times from injuries from tornadoes. So definitely take that seriously today. Because even it just don't when the warning gets issued, I don't want anybody to start looking out the window and waiting on it. It's because if you try to take cover, it's booking at 45 miles an hour. It could be there and be already done. So please just keep that in mind. They could be rain-wrapped tornadoes, and you're not going to see it coming today. So you're just joining me about almost 8:18 today. We got severe thunderstorms And severe thunderstorm warning about for central Benton County, north central Arkansas, north central Washington County, and central Arkansas to 9 a.m. At 8:16, a severe thunderstorm is located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Roger or 2 miles southwest of Farmington, moving at 30 miles an hour. What to expect 60 miles of wind gusts. If you listen in any of these communities, I would definitely advise to seek shelter. This includes Interstate 49 between miles mark 46 and 88. And we definitely got some hail with this. I'm trying to make sure this is not a tornado update, but yeah, we're having some wind damage with this whole line of thunderstorms, and this is why we're continuing to watch it. New severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County down here. If you listen in any of these communities, straight line winds could really be bad. So any of these storms could get some kinks in the line or very strong sides of rotation today. And that's what's concerning me. So we will continue to keep you updated. Tornado warning in process. So 2 tornado warnings, and let me see what they're going. There's the markers. If you live in Branson, it's not too far from me yet. So better be thinking about where you want to go in case that pulls your way. We already had 2 confirmed reports of tornado on the ground earlier in this one storm. All right, now it's a radar indicated. Yeah, one radar indicated tornado, but the one in Gateway here, that's in effect about 8:30 this morning. So we might stay here until that expires to see what the Weather Service is going to do. So let me back this out. I'm sorry, I'm by myself this morning because a lot of people still asleep. So I'm trying to take over here best I can. So right now, if you're just joining me, about 8:23, we have severe thunderstorm warnings in Arkansas today. I just hold it tight for just a second while we're waiting. I'm going to pull up something else here. Storm Protection Center did update this, and I'm going to get this out of everybody's way. We do have an enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms this morning. I mean, today, they just update that. I just got a message from the Storm Protection Center Outlook, and we'll check this out. Hope everybody's having a good morning. So, alright, here what we got in place. SPC just updated about 7:46 this morning. They have an enhanced risk for Texas. I mean, this is not really for a tornado threat or anything like that. It's mainly for a hail threat. And it's pretty large for this time. So let me pull up and you can see what we got. Let me take my camera off for a second. We do have hail today. Tornado threat is about the same. 5%, 5%. Wind threat is about 15. And I'm concerned, look at this. Gosh. So folks, the hail is what's concerning me today. We got hail. Hail could be up to about, we have a 30% hatch theory for large hail, but where we can see hail up to tennis ball or 2 inches or more once you get that. So that is very large today. Very large hail could be a big problem with some of these storms today. So that's what we have to watch is the threat of tornadoes and maybe even that chance of some wind damage is possible. So we'll be here. I was just going to show you the new outlook. I'm just waiting on the Storm Prediction Center. We still have that tornado watch until 10 o'clock. I'm going to see the old discussion from this morning, and that's tornado watch 116, and they still severe weather continue. I'm just still reading if they'll issue a new one or they might wait until the atmosphere can recover before they do anything. Excuse me. Alright, we got 200 joules per kilogram. I'm just reading here. Local wind damage. I mean, it doesn't really say if they'll issue another one quite yet, but we'll see if they do. And I'll post it to the page if they do here. So we will continue to keep you updated. I'm just saying, here's the tornado watch. Is this morning. This storm, this system could produce hail up to 2.5 in diameter, so that's still large. So that runs through 10 a.m. So, all right, we're back in business again. Let me go back to radar. We still only have one tornado warning in place. Let me see, and that's not even the one for damage and tornado, but severe thunderstorm warnings are going to continue to be issued, and these storms could produce up to penny-sized hail. And you pull up velocity on this one storm, and you can see there could be some kinks in the line, and 60 miles of wind gusts with that storm. Also, there's been, and folks, these storms could briefly spin up a brief tornado. That's what's concerning me today. So we will be here. Just remember today, I've just been telling everybody, if you see a tornado warning today get issued, please take it seriously. Do not wait on the tornadoes today, because what the problem is, what's going to be, I'm afraid people's not going to understand is these tornadoes are going to be rain wrapped, where you're not going to see them coming. So please take it very seriously. I'm gonna get Jonathan in this afternoon. I'm gonna get Isaac in. I'm gonna get Ian in this afternoon if it gets bad, and Isaac too. And we will continue to track this together. Right now, we have that one tornado warning in place, but no damage and ones in place right now. So we want to send things back. If we do get some more threatened weather that can threaten us or anything serious again, we will interrupt right now. I'm going to send things back.